What's up, y'all? It's your girl Randa G here with another video. So today we are of course doing another weekly vlog. I am actually headed to Target right now and I'm gonna bring y'all with me. So hit like and subscribe, turn on your notifications so you don't miss the next video, and let's get into this vlog. All right, y'all, just got back from Target. I did get a couple of things that I needed to get, a little bit more than what I was actually coming here for, but y'all know what Target do. It's just Target do it every single time. I was probably only supposed to spend like $40, end up spending $70, but that's way better than what I usually do. So a win is a win. So I am kind of disappointed though. I really wanted to get some Starbucks, but the line was too long and I wasn't waiting. Like I said, I only came here for a couple of things, and waiting in a line for coffee was not one of them. Wasn't doing that. I mean, I didn't even have to wait in line to check out, so I know I wouldn't go wait in line for no coffee. So the next best thing is just to go to Dunkin'. So I'm gonna go to Dunkin', get me some coffee. I was gonna wash my car. It's supposed to rain today, tomorrow, the next day, so I'm not doing that. There's no point. My car is so dirty, but there's no point in washing it if it's gonna rain. And I really need to get gas before I be walking. My car says I have 36 miles. So I'm gonna get coffee, priorities, then go get gas. And then of course I need to cook for the week. Y'all know a girl gotta eat. So I was supposed to be with my sweet man's family today. Not because we had anything planned. It was just one of those things, like, we always get together on Sundays, but no one's called me and I don't want to intrude. So I kind of just did my own thing today. They may call later. They're probably resting. I mean, it's been a long week for everybody. I'll see them when I see them, of course. Of course, of course. So yeah, I'm gonna go get some coffee, get some gas, and we will touch base after that.
Baby, ya yo me enteré, se nota cuando me ve. Ahí donde no has llegado, sabes que yo te llevaré. Y dime qué quieres beber, es que tú eres mi bebé. Y de nosotros, ¿quién va a hablar si no nos dejamos ver? Yo sé dolce, sé vulgar, y cuando te lo quito, te lo pari. Las copas de vino, las libras de mari. Estás bien suelta, yo de safari. Tú me ves el culo fenomenal, pa' yo devorarte como animal. Si no te has venido, yo te voy a esperar. En mi camino lo voy a celebrar. Baby, a ti no me pongo, y siempre te lo pongo. Y si tú me tiras, vamos a nadar en lo hondo. Si por mí te lo pongo, de septiembre a agosto. En mis rincones, lo que digan tu amiga, yo te enteré. Se nota cuando me ve, ahí donde no has llegado, sabes que yo te llevaré. Dime qué quieres beber.
Okay, y'all, it was a complete change in plans. I did not go get coffee. Instead, I took myself out to lunch, a cute little solo date. I'm not gonna lie, I think B got mad because he called me and I told him what I was doing, and I think he got a little attitude. I mean, I guess I could have called him, but I mean, I knew he was out working, so I was like, ain't no need for me to invite you somewhere when I know you're gonna be, when I know you working. I mean, that's an instant no. I mean, I guess I should have been polite and asked him and got rejected, but I mean, who wants to be rejected? Who? Name somebody. Child. So now I gotta go get gas, and I guess make it up to B. He mad and stuff. He said he not mad, but I know him. His tone completely changed when I told him. Like, when he called me, he was happy to talk to me, right? As soon as I told him what I was doing, oh, that mood switched just like that. I said, you mad? No, I'm just chilling. Oh, okay. Oh, okay, honey poo. Well, I'll see you later. I mean, he'll get over it. It's really not that deep. Me going to get lunch, it's not that deep. But I'm on the way to get some gas, and then I'm going home. I'm not gonna lie, it looked like it's about to storm. When I was inside, I heard a little bit of thunder. So I think it's about to storm. My sweet man's family did call me. They are actually like out and about, so it all worked out. I had me a nice little solo date and a little day to myself. They're out having a good time, and I mean, now I just gotta make up with my man because he mad at me or whatever. It's not funny. It's not funny. His feelings are valid. He is upset. I should have called him and asked him if he wanted to come. I should have called him just to touch base. That's on me. That's on me. My sweet man. So it is Sunday. Go back to work tomorrow. I don't want y'all to think that I hate my job, because I truly don't. This is probably the most, well, yeah, this is probably the most chill, laid back job I have ever had with my years of working. Like, even Express was more intense than this. And Express, for the ones who don't know, you know, Express, the clothing store, I used to be one of the managers there. So, you know, like, for Express, every 2 hours, each manager had to take a segment. And the company would set goals for each segment. So you had to meet the goal. And the goal was normally like the amount of money you were supposed to make in those 2 hours. I'm not gonna lie, that was intense. I mean, and of course you don't want to be the only manager who not making your segments. I'm not gonna lie, I was good at it. I don't know why. I think I was just lucky, because everybody always asks, what do you do? What do you do? I ain't do much. I did what was expected of me. Like, I greeted the customers, you know, I asked them if they needed help. I would go ahead and pre-set up their fitting room, you know, whatever the case may be. But as far as doing anything extra, I feel like my entire management team did that. Blessed, I guess. But you know, that was pressure. Like, making sure you went green every time you took over a segment, that was pressure. To me, this job ain't no pressure. It's probably supposed to be pressure. Boss, if you looking at this, I'm sorry, it ain't no pressure for me. I mean, you know, only thing I can do in this job is to make sure I do what I'm supposed to do, you know? It's really not, my job doesn't really have anything to do with other people, in my opinion. I think it's mainly just me doing what I'm supposed to do. Now, don't get me wrong, I can remind people, I can be, you know, make sure they're mindful of stuff that they need to be doing, but I mean, that's really it. And then with me not being the boss, don't get me wrong, I am a part of leadership, but with me not being the boss, if something goes wrong, it really doesn't fall on me. Like I said, the only thing that really falls on me, if anything, that I'm not doing, and I make it my business to do what I'm supposed to do. So yeah, but I mean, you can't beat that. 8 to 5, no call, and you know, your job is on you, point blank period. You can't be worried about everybody else. Now, don't get me wrong, I do have one person who is under me, but she is so phenomenal, and she has been in hospice and in this job role for so long. Like, I ain't gonna lie, she make me look like I know what I'm doing, when really she just a beast. I mean, I ain't gonna lie, when she retire, I'm screwed. Screwed. But hopefully by the time she really decides to retire, I don't think she'll ever retire, but if she does, hopefully by the time she do decide to retire, I'll be gone. I'll be a full-time content creator, and I will never have to find out how it would be without her, because I'm pretty sure it would be devastating. Enough work talk. Ugh, I gotta go to work tomorrow. Oh, I know you're not about to pull out. I hate people. Like, why did you do that? For what? You pulled out for what? Like, there was literally nobody behind me. You literally could have pulled out after me, and nobody would have had to brake like I did just now. Like, you wouldn't have had no issues, but you gonna pull out in front of me. People get on my nerves. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna pump gas. Next time y'all see me, it'll probably be at the house. Yeah, it'll probably be at the house. Okay, y'all, I am back home. I am actually playing on my iPad right now. I am actually like creating outfits. So right now I've just been using like SHEA and Fashion Nova and just trying to put some outfits together that I like. I'm gonna show y'all. So this is just a sweater from SHEA. I know y'all probably can't see like real good, but it's just a sweater from SHEA, and I removed the background, and I am just gonna put it here, and then I'm gonna go to my camera roll, and this is another picture that I'm gonna add. Now it's the same sweater, but it's just showing the back of it, and I am just gonna edit photo, remove the background, and then just make it smaller. And that's just so I can see the front and the back of the sweater. And then I'm just gonna keep doing the same thing. So then I'm gonna add the pants that I wanna add. And these are just like some graphic pants. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's basically like biblical. So it like has the angels and the disciples and all that stuff. I think it's cute. I'm not gonna lie, this outfit that I'm coming up with is really giving fall vibes. It's so hot. I'm ready for fall so bad. And see, I removed the background, and then I'm just gonna place this over here. And then next, I'm just gonna do accessories. So I have like the purse and the boots, and then I'm gonna put like what earrings I would put with this, and probably what hairstyle too. Of course, I'll probably have my natural hair, but I think a braided ponytail would look real cute with this, so I might do a braided ponytail. Really just chilling right now. I'm watching Netflix. I found this nice little show. It's called SWAT. Originally, I found this so me and B could watch something together, but I'm not gonna lie, B not really into TV like that. Like, he is all into YouTube. Like, that's his television. He watched probably like the first 5 episodes with me, and then he kind of got bored. So now I'm watching it by myself, which is fine. I'm used to watching TV by myself. I think the only thing that we truly watch together is Married at First Sight. That's our jam. We love Married at First Sight. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep making outfits, sipping on wine. When it's time to unwind, it's like 5:50. I'll probably start cooking at 7. It's storming outside, so I'm trying to wait until the storm passes, because I would hate to be in the middle of cooking and then the power cuts off. That's just stupid. So that's the plan. So